You guys wanted to see it. 2 12-inch Untouchable sound subs. We're literally gonna play. This is gonna be a 4-minute video. We're gonna play from 20 hertz all the way up to we're gonna be at, it normally goes up to 28, but I am in my house, as you guys can see, and my wife will be pissed, so I'm gonna go ahead and go up to say 20, and we'll go from here. Let's see how it sounds. Let's see. That's at 32 hertz right now. I'm actually gonna open up the garage door because I'm getting a whole bunch of. Open this up for me. Open this up for me. Open up the garage door because it's getting.
That's a lot of work.
It's getting bad on here. But I need the lighting, so we'll go ahead. We can stop it right there. So that'll. Let me know when I can bring it back some, and then so that I don't hit it, so that the air is actually the thing is going over there. So we'll go ahead. Tell me when to stop.
All right. Keep going. You got plenty of space. Keep going. You're good.
All right. So that's 20 hertz right there where we were playing. I'm sorry, 32 hertz. We'll go ahead and go back to it. Next one. That's 20 hertz right there. Get down. I don't know, this is just a quick video. Like I said, you guys wanted something, and it sucks because there's new subwoofers and they're not broken yet, but that's pretty much what I got from the inside.